Hello, everyone. I am very happy you are here with me today. In this video, we will practice English slowly and clearly. Please listen carefully. After each sentence, pause the video and repeat after me. This method is called shadowing. It helps your brain learn English naturally. It helps you speak with confidence. Now, let's begin our story. My name is Emma. I am 28 years old. I live in a quiet part of the city. I live alone in a small apartment. It is not big, but it is clean and warm. I like my apartment because it feels safe. Every morning I wake up early. I usually wake up at 6:30. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I look at myself in the mirror. Most days I feel normal. Most days I feel fine. But one morning was different. That morning, I opened my eyes and felt strange. My body felt heavy. My head felt painful. My throat felt dry. I tried to sit up in bed. The room started to move. I felt dizzy. I closed my eyes again. I took a slow breath. I said quietly to myself, "Something is wrong." I stayed in bed for a few minutes. I hoped the feeling would disappear. But it did not. I slowly stood up. My legs felt weak. I walked carefully to the bathroom. I looked at my face in the mirror. My skin looked pale. My eyes looked tired. I touched my forehead. It felt hot. Very hot. I felt scared. I walked to the kitchen. I tried to drink some water. But my stomach felt uncomfortable. I sat down at the table. I put my head in my hands. At that moment, one clear thought came to my mind. I need a doctor. I did not want to go. I do not like hospitals. I do not like clinics. They make me nervous. But I knew I had no choice. I picked up my phone. My hands were shaking. I called my boss. When he answered, I spoke slowly. I am not feeling well today. I need to see a doctor. He listened carefully. Then he said, "Please take care of yourself." Your health is important. I felt relief. I ended the call. I got dressed slowly. I chose comfortable clothes. I checked my wallet. I checked my phone. I took my keys. I took a deep breath. Then I left my apartment. Outside, the air was cold. Cars were passing by. People were walking fast. Everyone looked busy. Everyone looked healthy. I felt different. Each step felt heavy. But I kept walking. The clinic was 15 minutes away. It was a white building with glass doors. I stopped in front of the door. My heart was beating fast. I said quietly, "It's okay. You can do this." I opened the door and went inside. The clinic was quiet. The air smelled clean. There were chairs in the waiting area. Some people were sitting silently. Some were coughing. Some looked tired. A woman at the front desk looked at me. She smiled gently. She asked, "How can I help you?" I said, "I don't feel well. I think I need a doctor." She gave me a form and a pen. She asked me to fill it out. I sat down slowly. I wrote my name. I wrote my age. I wrote my symptoms. My hands were still shaking. I waited. Minutes passed slowly. I listened to the sounds around me. Footsteps. Quiet voices. A phone ringing. Finally, a nurse called my name. Emma Johnson. I stood up carefully. I followed her down a long hallway. The lights were bright. The walls were white. She opened a door. She said, "Please wait here." I sat down in the room. There was a bed. There was a chair. There was a small desk. The room felt cold. I waited. After a few minutes, the door opened. A doctor walked in. He looked calm. He looked friendly. He smiled and said, "Hello, Emma. How are you feeling today?" I looked at him and answered honestly, "I feel weak. My head hurts. I feel dizzy. I feel tired." He listened carefully. He asked many questions. When did this start? Did you sleep well? Did you eat today? Are you stressed? I answered each question slowly. He checked my temperature. He checked my blood pressure. He listened to my breathing. He took his time. Finally, he sat down and said, "You have a strong flu. Your body needs rest." I felt relief. He continued,